Previously on.
The lighting is going, and I want you to stay tuned for the next part. Hello. Welcome to Life with Martha, another episode. In today's episode, we are going to be chit-chatting about construction and what you should be expecting if you are embarking on such a journey. Do you think I was bold? Just preparing you all for what is to come. Just going to be applying a wig, and so I will be right back.
346 minutes later.
Hi guys, so I am back. Now a lot of people, they don't want the hassle, they don't want the complications of doing a project by themselves, so they hire a contractor. Hiring a contractor is an added cost to your project. So if it is small enough and you have enough time, it may be wise to handle your project on your own, especially if you've done any project management, or just if you just have an idea or have a friend that can give you some ideas about how to do so. So I decided to renovate my home, which was it I think I can't say that the building was erected before I was born, but it is an old building. So I had an idea, and I had been thinking about it for a very long time. If you are new to viewing my videos, please subscribe to the channel. If you are a subscriber, I thank you so much for your subscription, and I hope that you could comment, like, and share the video. You need to have an idea of what it is you want to accomplish. First of all, is it a big or small project? In St. Lucia, we have a lot of price gouging, which means that the government has not put laws in place to ensure that a business place that it has imported a particular good must sell it at the price until those particular goods are exhausted. I must add here that the duties on items have not changed at all. And those who know, I'm in a very good position to know that. And what these guys do, they bring in the items, they buy it at a certain price, they pay the supplier. Then maybe by the time they go to order another set of goods, because of course they will not wait until all the goods are sold before they order another set, because they want to have enough supply for us. If the price has increased when they go to place that new order, they will raise the prices of the goods that are already on island. So right now you will notice that they do not have any prices on their goods in the stores. You either have to go to one of their attendants and ask for the price. Okay, so I think price control and the Consumer Association and even Bureau of Standards need to look into something like that, because it is not fair to us, right? So today you could go there and the price of a door may be that. When you go there the next day, it's a different price. Now, how is that possible? When that door is sitting right there, they have not brought in any new doors. So we probably need some laws that can prevent that kind of price gouging. So yes, as I was saying, so you have to be prepared. For example, if you're going to buy tiles, you probably need to get all your tiles at once, because either when you go back there, they may not have the same tile, or the price of the tile will change. So little things like that you have to be aware of. We have a problem with actual supply in the country. Okay, so certain things that you're looking for, you just cannot get it, and you have to wait a long time. So for example, certain lumber, dressed lumber, 1x3 in particular, 1x6, and those things are not available. So you need to get someone that will be willing to take, say for example, a 1x8 or 1x6 and split it into to make 1x3. I mean, this was very eye-opening for me. I think I now know so much about construction and so much about the different terms associated with it. And if I had to do it, I would do it again, but wiser. If someone comes to do work for you and after the first day of working, you just don't like how they're doing, just pay them, get rid of them, and go forward. Because a lot of that happened where my project was delayed a little bit because I could not find quality workers to do work for me. And the materials, guys, the materials also, especially I think maybe with the pandemic and the rush to produce the goods, the stuff, this doesn't come in as the quality as it used to be. So guys, take a look at how I took my home from drab to fab. doing certain things at your house. For example, I did not have hot water at my house before, and being able to put a solar water tank on the house was such a major improvement to my life. Just a simple thing like that. So taking on any type of home improvement is going to increase the value of your home. It will improve your standard of living. I hope that that encourages you to go forth and do something. It could be just a small thing. Don't be afraid to do it alone. Just take your time, have your vision, and execute it. And the other thing too, shop around. Shop around for certain things. Completing this project, I feel so very accomplished for many reasons. And if you're about to embark on such a project, don't be afraid. Let's be prepared to change your plan as you go. Be prepared for increases in prices like at the drop of a hat. Be prepared to stand your ground and get rid of any worker who is not working as you think they should. Be prepared to work alone, because of course the cost of a contractor is added, and you could remove that cost, and it's quite a high cost, right? You could remove that cost by taking people to do the work for you. And number 5, research those people that you are taking to do the work, because a lot of them either cannot do the work and they take it on, or they're lazy, they will drag on the work. But predominantly we do have some good workers. You just have to find them, seek some recommendations, although some people are very touchy about giving recommendations. But of course, even I now know a few good people that could work for you, and just carry on very smartly. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.